Hello everyone and welcome to another video of Learn Portuguese with Linguapol. Today we are in the second lesson of Learn Portuguese with Linguapol, in which we are still learning the greetings. If you remember from the last video, greetings को हम Portuguese में कहते हैं os cumprimentos. As it is written here, os cumprimentos. So we are still learning os cumprimentos. In the last lesson, we learned how to say hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good night, and to ask all good. So I will quickly repeat those and we will move on to the next lesson. So, hola, oi, bom dia, boa tarde, boa noite, and tudo bem. Today we will learn a new set of greetings. So we will start with thank you, thank you. So in Portuguese, if a female person says thank you, then she will say obrigada, obrigada. If a female person says thank you, then she will say obrigada. If a male person says thank you, then he will say obrigado, obrigado. So please mention in the chat. Sorry. So when someone says thank you, what do we say in return? We say de nada, or in Brazilian Portuguese it will be de nada. In European we say de nada. In Brazilian we will say de nada. Then, if you want to ask someone, how are you? How are you? So you will ask, como você está? Como você está? Como você está? How are you? Como você está? Como means how. Você means you. Está means are. Como você está? How are you? This is a formal way of asking someone, how are you? If you want to informally ask someone, for example, you are talking with your friend or maybe with a family member, maybe somebody who is younger to you. So you will ask in an informal way and you will say, ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? So we will add an S after está. So we'll say, ¿Cómo estás? That is an informal way. So wrap it up again. First one is, ¿Cómo está? You can skip the word você because ¿Cómo está in itself also means how are you? ¿Cómo está or ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo está is a formal way which you will use in your professional field with your elders or somebody who you don't know. But for somebody who you are familiar with, maybe your friend or maybe somebody younger to you, you will say ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Then you can say I am good. If you want to reply with I am good, then the answer is eu estou bem. Eu estou bem. Eu matlab I. Estou means am. Bem means good. So eu estou bem. And you can also say estou bem. Estou bem. I'm good. Even if you skip the word eu, then the sentence again remains the same. The meaning remains the same. So you can say estou bem. So let's remember once more. The question is como está? Como está? Como está? The answer is estou bem. Let's have a small conversation. If I ask you como está, how will you respond? So if somebody asks me como está, I will say estou bem, obrigada. E você? Estou bem, obrigada. E você? I am good. Thank you. And you? If you remember, in the last video, we discussed that it is always polite to ask back. So, in the same way, when somebody is asking you, how are you? You will not only respond with, I am good, but you will also ask back. So, the conversation goes like this: Como está? Estou bem. Obrigada. E você? Next up, we will discuss what is your name. If you want to strike a basic conversation with a stranger, you need to ask them their name. So, what is your name? There are two ways in Portuguese in which you can ask, what is your name? The first way is, como se chama? Como se chama? Como se chama? It literally means, how do you call yourself? How do you call yourself? So, you can see an example here. Olá, senhora. Como se chama? Olá, senhora. Como se chama? Senora is a respectful way of referring to a woman. Senhora. So, hola senhora. Como se chama? Similarly, the second way is, qual é seu nome? Qual é seu nome? What is your name? This is the exact literal translation of the English sentence. What means qual, is means a, your means seu, and name is nome in Portuguese. So the question is, qual é seu nome? Qual é seu nome? The answer will be, meu nome é, meu nome é. So let's write the answer for you. Qual é seu nome is the question, and the answer would be, meu nome é. So it will go like this: meu means my, nome means name, a, and this way you can say your name. Qual é seu nome is the question. The answer is, meu nome é. So after you have introduced yourself and the other person has also told their name, after you have got to know each other in Portuguese, now you can say muito prazer. Muito prazer. That means nice to meet you. So it's very common, a very common etiquette after every conversation you say, especially with strangers, especially with the people you get to know for the first time. You say, nice to meet you. So you say muito prazer. Muito prazer. Prazer means pleasure. Muito means a lot. So muito prazer. Nice to meet you. Okay. And that person can reply you with igualmente. Igualmente. Same here. Igualmente in European Portuguese, and in Brazilian we will say igualmente. Igualmente. So let us quickly revise what all we learned today. First of all, we learned how to say thank you. So if you are female, you will say obrigada. If you are male, you will say obrigado. If someone thanks you, you will reply with de nada. If you want to ask someone how are you, you will say como está? Como está? If you want to ask informally, you will say como estás? Como estás? Como estás? If you want to answer that question, eu estou bem. Eu estou bem. If you want to ask what is your name, there are two ways in which you can ask. First one is, como se chama? Como se chama? And the second way is, qual é seu nome? Qual é seu nome? After we have gotten to know each other for the first time, we will say muito prazer. Muito prazer. And the other person can reply with igualmente or igualmente. You can also see examples of these words used in sentences. The examples are given in the last column. You can refer to the examples to understand how to use this in a sentence. That was all for your second lesson. We will meet you in the next lesson. Until then, até logo. Muito obrigada, gente. Tchau, tchau.